Hey everyone, Professor Adjuvant here, and in this 2-minute math video we want to factor this quadratic. So in order to factor this quadratic, we want to take the a term, the number in front of the x squared, and our c, the number without an x at the very end of the quadratic. We want to multiply these together. So we want to do 6 times negative 4, which gives us negative 24. And what we're doing with this negative 24 is we're looking for two factors that are going to add up to make our middle term, our b term. So we can list them all out, and eventually we should see that negative 8 and 3 both multiply to make negative 24. And if we added these together, we would get this negative 5, the middle term. So what we're going to do with these two factors is we're going to rewrite this quadratic 6x squared, but instead of putting a negative 5x in the middle, we're going to use these two factors that we identified, the negative 8 and the 3. So instead of the negative 5x, we'll put negative 8x plus 3x, and it doesn't matter what order we put these two in, it'll work the same, and then the negative 4. So what we're going to do now is leverage factor by grouping, which means we're going to take this 4-term quadratic and we're going to cut it down the middle. We're going to look at the two terms on the left, 6x squared and negative 8x, looking for a greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor between those two is 2x, and we're left with 3x minus 4. And there is no greatest common factor between the two terms on the right, the 3x and the negative 4, so we'll say that we just have a 1 as the greatest common factor. Well, 3x minus 4 and 3x minus 4 is present on both sides, so we've done everything correctly, and that 3x minus 4 is one of the two factors. The two GCFs that we pulled out, the 2x and the 1, make our other factor. If you want to see a greater, more in-depth explanation and a few more examples for this type of problem, check out the video linked in the description below. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Good luck, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.